Hello everyone. Today my topic is cloud computing. At first, cloud means the infrastructure. It is the infrastructure. Infrastructure means the service which provided by like Google gives the server, like if we have service like Google Drive. In this we can upload data and we can use it, we can access it from anywhere. This type of service which provide this we call as cloud. And computing means connected each of the computer with one another is called as computing, with use through the use of the internet. Cloud computing means the means of cloud computing is the connected all the network, and they can use this service and can share and delete data from anywhere of the world. This is called the cloud computing. The cloud computing in average cloud user, they can connect using through they can connect it cloud using through the internet. In this they can run task, they can run their application, they can run their run and they can store their data, so they can access it from anywhere worldwide worldwidely. There how we can use there are many type of application by we can use, like if we have Dropbox. In Dropbox we have the application which we can install on our computer, and we can just put it into there. It is already gone to the cloud, and so our data will be safe. It also in our computer and also in the cloud, so we can access it if any data is to be lost, so we can access it from anywhere. Like YouTube, if we upload any video, so we can earn money from there. This is the cloud means service. There are many type of service as like SaaS means software as a service. It is a software distribution model in which applications are hosted by vendor. Applications are hosted by vendor or service provider, like which provides service to use this service to upload it to anywhere. We use it as SaaS means software as a service. After that, the in this we also have IaaS and PaaS. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, it refers to, in this we have like hardware and connection and wires which are used. We call this one as infrastructure as a service. And after the PaaS means platform as a service, like it like uh, which type of service you used. If as you know that if you want to run Java on your PC, on your computer, so at first you have to give it to environment, like Java environment, Java JE. You have to give it to Java runtime environment. So after that your computer will connect through Java and can create programs and websites of Java. So that's why it is a platform, means the interface between the infrastructure and the application. It gives the infrastructure. The cloud requires cloud what is the cloud requires? It a internet connection. It require internet connection. You have a internet connection and an account created with username and password. As you know that when you connect to Gmail, you also can send and receive data from any of the mail. So in this you have a username and password, so by this you can authenticate to this server. You can easily use this one. And so what is the cloud? It means computing and software resources that are delivered on demand as service. Means cloud computing connect computer from one to another place, and software resources, and software software resources that are delivered on demand when any person want to deliver it, so it can access it from anywhere. Like if you have any type of application, like if you are on Facebook, and any type of game installed in the Facebook, you don't have to install your application into your computer. You can only have to you only have the web browser, and you can access it from anywhere. You don't have to install this application. This is the advantage of this cloud. But if you have but as you know, if you want to play this game, you have to at first install it to your system. It is a heavy game, so you have to get a graphic card, and so these are the problem. But in this you don't have this type of problem. You can easily connect and play this game. Computer storage. What are computer have internal or hard disk storage. Computer are that devices which are used to store our data, like it sometimes it are program, document, picture, videos, etc, etc. These are the things which we are stored in our hard disk, in our computer. And in this, these type of programs are used. At first we have to, when you have to play, you have to connect with the cloud. You have to these type at first you have the different type of operating system. Like if you want to have Mac, like Microsoft operating system or Linux, etc, etc, these things are required to connect through one system to another system. After the external storage, in this external storage, we can external storage, like we have portable, like we have SD card, we can store our data into this, so it can easily save. And in the network storage, the mean word of mean of cloud is the network storage. Means you can access it from one place to another place anytime easily. If you are in network, like if you connect all the computers, and you install one window in the one window in the system, and another one system automatically install window. Means they we because they are also in the network system, they are also in the network. If they connect in system, if otherwise they are separate. So you have to put or install windows separately one by one. But they connect one to another, so you can install in one PC, and they automatically install to another ones. In this you can save your document, like in external storage, internal storage, or external devices, like if you have memory card, SD card, etc. And cloud storage is that type of service. In this you can upload your data and save it, and you can access it from anywhere. In this you also create a account, with in this you have a username and password. By using this you can anytime access it. And download for storage, you can download it also from storage. Like if you want to share it, so in the Dropbox, there the service, if you want to share it, there is a link of the share it. You can click on that, and you can share to one to another person. These services are also provided by cloud. You have to at first upload your document. In the services, like in Dropbox, you have 2 GB data uploading services given. In Box you have 5 GB, and in Skybox you have 7 GB, or in Google you have a 5 GB uploading limit into the and your account. In this you can create document which you want to send it to anyone, anywhere. and download required. You can create a link so and share it to anyone so he can easily download it. As you know, in this internet it is required, because without internet no one can access, no one can easily, no one can easily accessible. Like if you are in grid means in a circuit. If you are in small like in a area, like if you are in Los Angeles, so you are in small you are in place, you are only in a city, you don't connect it with the another city. But if you are connected, if you want to connect to another city, you have to you have to another you have a service which is internet, and you can easily accessible and share it through the cloud. Like internet capable devices, like if you have laptop, mobiles, etc., these are internet capable devices. These benefit, it saves, saving large file. In this cloud we can save large file like presentation, like, and we can backup of our storage. Like as you know that there are different types of server are used. First is the main server. If as you know that if the uh, if we want then if we want anything about, so it is, if it is not in this server, so it will search from another server and then it will give after that to our. So in this also there are backup server are used. If any type of loss of data, so it will be backup it anytime. So that's why backup server are used. And this file sharing, like as you I before said, like we can share our data to anyone at and anytime. In this different type of software service I provide, like photo editing, like online banking app, communication, etc., etc., these things are provided to us. Like WordCat library specification service, in WordCat discover it, this type of services by we can easily understand about this service. As you know, I get about the PaaS, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. What is cloud? What is the advantage of cloud? As you know that uh, if you want to buy a shop, so you have 6 to 7 lakh your expenses are your 6 to 7 lakh expenses have been done. So but if you want and if you place a website and in 1000 2000 per domain, buy a domain, and you can done your business through website. And in this you have minimum, in this you have less expenses, so it will give you many type of benefit. And it will update across the service. Means in this different type of encryption are also used, so their data not to be lost. So this service is also much better than the grid service. Disadvantage services security issue. Sometime if you know that if anything is uploaded on the internet, so it has also the security issues. In has terms of service privacy policy, like if in Google you have only 5 GB data upload, you not more than 5 GB. So it is the main of cloud computing. In this I define every of the thing, what are the advantage, disadvantage, and what is the platform are used in this, like SaaS, Bash, IaaS, etc., etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment on this video, please. Thanks.